Welcome everybody to a new Apex Academy video. We're finally going to be taking the time to fully complete our one product store. Yesterday we threw a little wrench in the system. We had a question from somebody here on YouTube basically asking how do we add variations to the product and make it look presentable on the one product store site. But now we're going back. We're reverting to the originality of the theme, and we're going to go ahead and drag this feature all the way to the top as it once was. Now we're going to be continuing this design. For those who are curious, we're using the Themato one product store, or Themado, or Themado, or whatever you want to call it. More importantly, I'll be leaving the landing page in the link in the description box down below. The theme is currently $79. It's a one product theme, and you can head over to themado.com, check out kind of their website. Currently, I believe on sale. Yep, on sale. So the theme is on sale, and I will leave the link in the description to the landing page. If you want to check out the actual website, you could either search them on Google, or you could just click on the Order Now button, and it will automatically add a product to the cart. I've done it a few times here, but you could see here, it will add one product to your cart. So let me go ahead and do that. Update cart. It will add one product to your cart, and make sure to use their available discount code SUMMER to get 10% off. I personally did not buy this during the summer. I bought this way before. Been using it for 5-6 months, maybe even 4 months. Not really sure about the time period. I'm bad with the months of the year, but overall, it's a good theme. And you guys saw I built the first part of it in literally under 20 minutes. So everything you're seeing is under 20 minutes except for this section, which took a little bit of time to add the products manually, but definitely not a lot of time. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get this product out of the upsell section. Just because yesterday's tutorial was a little bit different. So like I said, we need to revert the theme to its original point of view. And guys, I gotta say, I'm so pumped up to be here to make this video today. Super excited. And because if you guys remember, we've been posting consistently on a daily basis since the 18th. Okay, so we got to get that product out of the collections here. So let's go over here to upsell, and let's delete this upsell right here. And it's saved. So now what really should happen is, let me just make sure the product doesn't have the upsell tag, since it is our flagship product, and it doesn't. So let's go over here to online store, and let's select customize. And we're going to use the documentation to help us today for what we're looking to do. So how to configure the upseller, we already saw how to do that. How to create a wish list. This is important. We need to do this. Okay, so we got to name the page wish list, and we got to activate that. So here we have our upseller. So in this case, our upseller only has 3 products. We can choose to add products a little later. Let's just leave things the way they are right now. The descriptions, I'm going to leave kind of the way they are. I'm not really intending on selling this product, but let's go over here, and let's increase the top distance for 20 pixels, and let's see what it kind of looks like, because I don't want the image to be on top of this. Okay, there you could see the text for it is in the back, so I'll even have to increase this a little more, maybe even 60 pixels. Let's see what happens there. Okay, so we have the title of the product. I don't want the title to show, so let's just remove this, the product title. Let's remove the description, or actually, yeah, it's up to us. We can call, let's just say, about our product, something like that. Let's hit save here. Let's just see what we kind of see here. Subtitle from happy customers. Let's get rid of that. And let's just hold on. Once again, save it. And remember, guys, that it has to fully save before we edit this first part here. And then let's increase a little bit. 90 pixels is pretty good. Okay, so that's enough space. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. What we're going to do is we're going to drag this upseller, but we're going to drag it down. So under talk about our brand, under the gallery, and that's about right. Okay, we have a video here of the product. We have an Instagram, and we have some blogs. The thing that I want to do here for the sake of the video is I want to cut this down. I want to make sure that they're all the same size. That's just a little like kind of OCD thing about me. So what I'll do is I'll hit this little blog post button. If I can't cut it down, then I'm literally just going to make sure the blog disappears, or I'll copy over the image. So let's see if I can edit the image here. Edit the image. No, I can't edit. Let's go ahead and remove it, and let's leave it the way it is, and let's add a different image. Let's go ahead and cancel this. Add image. Let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's just delete this blog. Why not? Let's get rid of this blog right here. So we have two blogs. Let's see how the website looks. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. And then we'll create the wish list. So one of the features also, we have to create the newsletter. Okay, that's kind of not that bad. All right. Let me see how this looks. Save the image as. Let's go ahead and save that image. And let's add the blog post. We might as well. Let's just do this for the website here. And let's just save. Let's leave it on hidden. Call it whatever we want to call it right now. Just so we can get some content on there. Just so it looks, once again, representable. Change the title. Okay, so let's do one more double check. Make sure it always looks good. What is this here? Let's scroll down. And it's hidden. So that's kind of my fault. Let's make it public, or let's view it. And I'll leave that right now. Let's go ahead and create the wish list. Let's go over here to pages. And let's go ahead and add page. So we have different templates. Let's create the wishlist template, and let's call it. What does it say here to call it? It says first we need to create a new page wishlist. Go to customize theme page. Now create the page and call it page wishlist. So I'll literally just copy and paste exactly what it gives me, and hit save. Now the reason why we have to copy and paste the exact title is because if it won't work any other way. So now make sure it's at the wishlist template. Now let's go to our online store, and if I'm incorrect here, but let's just double check. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna, first of all, the blog looks good. That's kind of how it should look. And now let's try to add a product to the wish list. Let's see what happens. Okay, it says the product has been added to wish list. Let's hit go to wish list. There it is. The wish list page is there. Now, this is a really awesome feature because a lot of the times you have to pay for apps that have wish lists, or you have to get a free app. I just like the fact that it's built in, and I like the fact that it's dynamic. Like it actually works. So let's go ahead and do this one more time with another product. Just double check. Add this to the wish list. Maybe even add this. So we have two products. Let's hit go to wish list button, and there they are on the wish list. I love that, guys. I love that. We can always add the product to the cart, and we have the one-click checkout. We got everything going for us right now. Everything's going for us. Things are looking splendid. All right, now let's work on the newsletter. So, theme settings, I believe newsletter. I've done this before a few times, maybe like 6-7 times. So sometimes I try to remember here. Config general. There it is. Newsletter. So we go over here to Themato config general. That's the link button. And we scroll down, we select newsletter, and we select an image. I like this image. Let's see what happens when we use that image. There's a lot of different features here. I don't want to get too into it, but for the background image of the breadcrumbs, let's use this one. And let's hit save. Okay. And now it's all saved. Look at this green little bar. It has to fully load, guys. Fully load. Okay. Let's just give it a minute here. All right. Loaded. Now, let's just take a look at some links here. Boom. There we go. You see that image right there? That's the breadcrumb. Okay, the breadcrumb image. What I need to do is I need to take this link of our website, and I need to copy and paste it in an incognito tab to see the new effects of the newsletter. So let's just go ahead and do that. Copy and paste it. And now I got to write the password. So let's just find what the password is. Let's go ahead and drag. And you guys can feel free to check out the store yourself. MIEHEA. That's the password. And let's just take a look at that incognito tab here. And let's paste it. Enter. There we are. So the newsletter should pop up. If I had set it up properly, there we go. There it is. So this is it. I mean, you guys have seen every part of the store now built. I don't know if I would necessarily use these. I might as well change it. But something that I will do, guys, for the future is I'm going to start, and I don't know how I'm going to set this up. I don't know if I need permission from the theme companies. I don't know how this is going to work. But I'm intending on selling pre-built Shopify stores, but not the type that's like, you know, the BS, you know, here's a $17 pre-built Shopify. No, it's going to be something professional, you know, with my name on it. So we'll see how we're going to do it. That's something that's interesting to me, so that people could literally just plug and play if that's what they're interested in. I don't know if I'm going to do it with themes like this. It might not be allowed. I really don't know. I have to kind of double check and see how it's done. But with that being said, we built literally a store, and you can kind of remove some features, add some features. You know, this theme is an epic theme to give us the features that we have. But the thing that I like most about this theme, the Themato theme, I'll leave the link in the description once again if you guys want it. I like the fact that I can design a store in like 25 minutes, literally. Like, you guys see me do everything. I've done the Wishlist, newsletter, this whole entire design. As long as you have the pictures, you're good to go for the product. I just find that very, very interesting. I like that. And I'll probably be making more of these stores soon. We just got to figure out some of the things that we're going to do, how we're going to set them up. But I like this, man. It's interesting to me. It's creative, and I'm definitely going to be doing more of this in the future. Okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. And if you have any suggestions or questions, put them in the comments down below, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Bye.